আন্তর্জাতিক নার্স দিবসে নির্ভুল ইংরাজিতে বক্তব্য রাখলেন কামারহাটির সদ্য নিযুক্ত বিধায়ক মদন মিত্রবাবু। সকলকে অবাক করে দিয়ে কামারহাটিরই প্রাক্তন কংগ্রেসের বিধায়ক প্রদীপ কুমার পালিতকে দিলেন নতুন দায়িত্ব। আর আসানসোলে সদ্য কিন্তু হেরে গিয়েছেন সায়নী ঘোষ, তার উদ্দেশ্যে রাখলেন বিশেষ বার্তা, তুললেন সোনাগাছির কথাও। আর কি বললেন মদনবাবু, চলুন শুনে নিন একবার তার নিজের মুখেই।
I salute all the nurses. Yes, the meaning of nurse is Florence Nightingale with a candle in the hand. I salute. And the last one is very important. My best friend, philosopher, guide, Saini Ghosh, whom I not only like, I feel she is one of the greatest fighters in the state of Bengal. You know, everybody and everything is destined. I also lost the election in 2016, but I won by the largest margin from Damdam Parliament by a margin of more than 35,000, near about 36,000. So I have spoken to Saini and it has been decided that very soon we'll start some different kind of innovative job which the people will say, yes, it can done only by the followers of Mamata Banerjee, followers like Saini Ghosh, where Madan Mitra will be assisting, accompanying Saini. Saini, you fight back, you have to come back, we are all with you. And just at this juncture, I sincerely regret and express my sorrow for the sad demise of Dr. Sarojit Jana, because Madan Mitra started working in Sonagachi 20 years back with Durwas. Yesterday, day before also, I spoke to Mahasheta, the social welfare officer. And this year, the people of Bengal, they should know that it was not possible to organize Durga Puja in Sonagachi. When I heard this news, I immediately reached and I had taken the charge of the main person of Durga Puja as the president. And Puja was held. Because without the earth, without the just small piece of land from Sonagachi, no puja can be organized. So I strongly express my sorrow for the sad demise of Dr. Sarojit Jana and ensure my fullest cooperation to start immediately. It has been decided Mr. Pradeep Palit, an ex-MLA from this particular constituency. Mr. Pradeep Palit, who is a very senior member of the party, it's my pleasure to announce and to declare just from now, with immediate effect, Mr. Pradeep Palit, ex-MLA Kamarhati, will work as the coordinator, as the main public relation person of Madan Mitra. And it's not my decision, it's a decision of the party as a whole. I have discussed with all corners of our party and unanimously this name has come, so it's my pleasure. And we have decided everywhere to coordinate with the hospital, to coordinate with the doctors, everywhere there's a MLA representative. So thank you Pradeep Da, congratulations Pradeep Da. Pradeep Palit Baudi, I strongly believe that you will give your best effort to do the job. কারণ মদন মিত্র এমএলএ হিসেবে হয়তো রোজ বিধানসভায় থাকতে হতে পারে, আরও নানা কাজে যেতে হতে পারে, but people they need the service. So Pradeep Palit, congratulations, you have become the coordinator and the main public relation of Madan Mitra 112, and you have to sit in the central office of Dakshineshwar every day in the morning to meet the people. Number one. Number two, now we have come in front of Sagar Datta College of Medical Sagar Datta Hospital. This is a college which has been not only instituted, not only organized, but it's a brainchild of Mamata Banerjee. Now every day as a routine work, I used to come to this hospital just to ensure that there is no sort of extortion, black marketing, or exploitation of patient parties by the hoarders, by the blackmailers, or by the unwanted persons. খুব দালালি চলছিল। Now I am very happy to know today is the International Nurse Day. Today, to mark the International Nurse Day, I salute, I congratulate all the nurses of Sagar Datta Memorial College, and it has also been decided that by the doctors who are attached with Trinamool Congress and Egiye Kamarhati, the particular Facebook network, it has been decided to offer a flower, just a flower, a bouquet of rose and a sanitizer N95 and a small token of sanitizing one N95 mask with a small token of love. With the flower, a small volume of sanitizer will be given to all nurses.